Do you also have the extensions option missing in After Effects or Premiere Pro? Then watch this video till the end, because this quick fix might solve your problem instantly. As you can see, my extensions tab is hidden too. But don't worry, there's an easy trick to bring it back. First, open Google Chrome and search for Mr. Horse Project Manager. Open the first link and download the software. Once the download is complete, install it and sign in using your Google account. After logging in, you'll see options for both After Effects and Premiere Pro. If your issue is in After Effects, select After Effects. My problem was in Premiere Pro, so I selected Premiere Pro. Now go to the Plugins section and click Install. Wait a few moments, and the plugin will be installed successfully. Once that's done, open Premiere Pro and click on the window option at the top. Now you'll notice that the Extensions option is finally visible again. If you click on Extensions, you'll see all the installed plugins there. So, that's the quick fix. Let me know in the comments if this trick worked for you, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful and informative videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.